The 2025 Maserati Motorhome, which turns the brand's legendary performance into an upscale recreational vehicle, is a daring blend of Italian luxury and an adventurous attitude. This RV is made for people who like to travel the open road in style like a Maserati. The strategically placed trisula logo, dashboard, and tengah design that draws inspiration from the Maserati automobile model, as well as warning signs and materials that reinforce the person's identity. If this motorhome is based on the Maserati chassis, it may offer better performance than a conventional motorhome, with a more powerful engine V6 or V8 twin-turbo and better handling. The 2025 Maserati Motorhome's engine is strong and produces enough horsepower and torque to tackle a variety of terrains. Whether driving on roads or off-road, its sophisticated suspension system and all-wheel drive capabilities offer a controlled and comfortable ride. It is anticipated to include Maserati's renowned athletic and exquisite design features, including aerodynamic body lines, the Trident insignia on the front grille, and other opulent accents. Premium materials like premium leather, carbon fiber, and opulent finishes are probably going to be used inside. Maserati's sophisticated, athletic, and opulent design aesthetic will be incorporated into the inside. The utilization of flowing design lines and meticulous attention to detail will demonstrate this. The RV has a large living room, a fully furnished kitchen with contemporary amenities, and opulent sleeping quarters. The whole trip is improved by extra features like solar panels, climate control, and smart home connection. The motorhome's inside is luxurious and furnished with high-end materials, such as hand-stitched leather and accents of polished wood. Modern amenities in the cabin, such as a high-fidelity music system, ambient lighting, and a digital cockpit, guarantee a relaxing and connected flight. Standard features will include cutting-edge infotainment systems, electrically adjustable chairs, and ambient lighting that can be adjusted to create various moods based on user preferences. Maserati's newest infotainment system has a big touchscreen, a high-end audio system probably made by Bowers and Wilkins, internet access, and smart app integration. Lighting, temperature, and other RV controls will probably be connected with the primary system.